How's it going, everybody? My name is Colton Weber. I'm out on Fisher Lake today. It's a little lake near me. Kind of good ice fishing. It is sometimes overfished, so I don't know if I'm gonna catch anything. But pretty much I'm just out here to have a good time. Cook up some food, hot dogs, burgers, and maybe catch some fish. And just have to see how it goes. It is really nice out today. It's like 45, I think, right now. So I'm just kind of wearing a hoodie and no gloves or nothing. Just got these nice little wax worms with me. I missed. So pretty much I'm coming out here with my brother. He has the auger, so I just found this pre-drilled hole. It's kind of out here, but I got some wax worms there and I got my little pole. I just picked it up from Walmart. It's actually a pretty nice little deal, but I'm just gonna put some wax worms on it and drop it down this hole and just see if we can get anything. We're kind of close to shore, so I'm hoping we can just snag onto some panfish or something. But pretty much we got the double hook set up on here. There's a treble hook on the bottom and there's a jig farther up on the top. I'm gonna put a wax worm on both and just drop it down in my hole here and see if we can catch anything. Them guys that were way back here, they moved closer to me.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Saw something shiny, so I'm coming to inspect. Some crackers in here. Nice little snack. We're right over there posting some crackers out here. Oh, there's one right there. Alrighty, so I've been fishing over on this side of the lake for about an hour-ish now. I'm gonna go on to the other side over here. There's less wind, a little bit shallower, maybe more chance of a fish. I'm gonna start grilling up some food too, so I'll just see how when I'm over there.
Here's the sound they make. Ready?
Now we're here. Not many holes. There's a couple guys there, but you know, I'm gonna try this spot out. It's pretty deep here, so I'm gonna try this spot out. Let's see if I can just get anything. Wax worms are in the bucket. Everything's good. I might actually grill some food up. They got the grill. They got the grill out there, so I might actually go grill up some food and then come back out here and try fishing. Oh man.
Look at them.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so I'm back to the hole. The sun's going down a little bit, but oh baby. I'm using a nice sanitary Ace bucket that I found on the side of the road on the way here. Mmm.
Look at that burger. She's prime.
I have to pee, Katie.
One of the best burgers I've ever had.
I'm sure it is. You know, this has been what it's like for a couple hours now, pretty slow. Not any bites that I've had. The tip ups are gone. W bucket though. It's like a swivel chair. Found it on the side of the road on the way here. It's got a little dent in it, but that just adds to its beauty.
What do you got on there?
Wax worm.
It's on the hook. Is it just one of the jigs?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna go see if I can't catch them on.
Alright. What an idiot. See how long it takes him to realize that his pole's not over there. That it's right here. good.
Forgot my pole.
Oh. Oh.
You're using it, you dirty brain.
Yeah,
What's wrong with yours?
mine came snapped and I can't get the line up. There's a thing. Try it. Start here, go up. Got a nice bundle of line here. Got a nice bundle of line, then it goes up and stops there. So somehow I gotta get that out, and yeah, that'll be fun. Alrighty, so I can get the line through the reel, but I can't get it up the rod for whatever reason. It just doesn't want to go all the way. The sun's down now behind the trees, so I'm gonna start packing up my stuff, and I'm gonna shoot it home. If this is the end of the video, I'll see y'all next time, and if it's not, I'll see you tomorrow. Trusty bucket we found on the side of the road.